It had been months since the boulder roamed about, causing all sorts of trouble. Worse to come, winter arrived. Sodor was blanketed in snow, rail and road was slippery, there'd be avalanches, and the engines had to be extra careful.
I don't want to deal with crashing into the station like I did last time. Ugh. That sucks. But what do you know? Oh no, not again! Oh! Damn it!
Not an ice day for you, Gordon.
Oh, my leg! Talk about the tables turning on ya, huh?
Boy, my passengers went arse over tit.
Pure karma at its finest, eh? But the biggest worry, especially down Topham's Neck, was a major snowstorm that was coming towards the island. The engines were having another discussion at Tidmouth sheds. Yet again, none were too pleased either.
I tell you, chaps, it's quite a pain. The worst case is if you're late.
I know, right? All the passengers will complain, but we can't hurry up either.
They have to get over themselves. We're trying to maintain balance between safety and speed. It's difficult.
Yeah, we just can't control any accident. As careful as we can be, no one really knows when it'll happen.
Even if we did try to keep up to the timetable, we'd also risk crashing. This fucking ice is gonna make us slip if our wheels skidded.
Indeed. Worse is that, more disastrous weather is approaching. Gordon knew if you popped into a few things uninvited.
Right, but what about the sandbox?
Then they come to us and whine on how, "Yeah, this is a bad railway. Gonna refund my ticket at once. Yeah, like their whining will do anything good." Bunch of entitled pricks.
Can't disagree. This pressure we have is worse.
Tell me about it. No, guys, seriously! This snow is really burying me.
Well, running on time, despite a snowstorm, it would be hard. We might strain ourselves.
Also sucks is how we're blamed due to these circumstances. We can't bloody change the weather.
Speaking of the express, whose turn is it now?
Yours, I think? Ah, damn it. Where's the Fat Controller when we need him?
Speaking of the Tubbly Devil, he's here.
Oh my god, Genty. Now then, good morning, engines.
Good morning, sir. Just let James take the express. I'm keen on taking goods trains right now.
Right now? Sheesh, okay, so... That's good. There's a mixed train at the docks waiting for you. Take that train as soon as possible.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anytime? Well then, same jobs as usual. Just be careful, please.
I've got it.
Yep.
Right, let's get going. Catch you later. Rosie, good to see you.
Good to see you, sir.
Okay, with Genty about shunting for this week, you'll be taking some slow goods down to Ellsbridge Harbour and Longwell Harbours as they require new equipment.
Right away, I'll take them down.
Just don't make a shitty joke about it, thank you.
Excuse me, I've been meaning to ask, will I be assigned duties outside of the yard?
I'm glad you brought it up, Genty. We're receiving new contracts, so we may have a few extra trains.
Hell yeah, pretty exciting. Say, Genty, should we both double-head a train sometime?
Only and only if that's allowed by the yardmaster or your Sodor's fat ass. But I'd be down for that.
Cool!
You're making my job tougher, Genty.
James, who had been quietly admiring his paint as always, and the passengers singing praises of good old splendid Reds taking the express. The guard's whistle blew, and just as James prepared to leave, the Fat Controller rushed to him.
This'll be fun. What's the matter now, sir?
I hate to shit on your parade, but you must be careful. No matter what your passengers sing, don't make the coaches do karaoke. For your own safety, including theirs. It's quite urgent.
Yeah. You got it, sir. No worries. I'll do my best despite these snowy hazards. Splendid Red can't be dead.
I hope you're right about that. Now off you go.
Yes, sir. Catch you on the flip.
Rosie, good afternoon. I haven't seen you for some time.
Feelings mutual, lady. Well, maybe.
I take it that it is the snowstorm approaching?
Yeah, it's a nasty blizzard. Heading this way too.
I may sound like your mother, but please don't strain yourself too hard, Rosie.
Yeah, of course. But I shouldn't forget being aware. That fucked me up.
Damn you, Rosie! Before you leave, I hope you do not mind me asking. Have you been assigned to the harbour rounds?
Oh yes, that's the most exciting part. I'll see you again, if I don't throw myself into a snowball of trouble, eh?
I hope you will. Goodbye, my friend.
What happened when you last pulled the express then?
Well, it's quite a dumb accident. I was pulling the express. Duck and Oliver wouldn't be moving for a good hour. Bear got stuck, and I couldn't stop. And next thing I know, BAM! Straight through the station wall.
No one else joked about you popping into buildings like that ever since?
Oh yes, Thomas did that, so has Duck. A few years ago, me too. All of these accidents were out of our control. Funnily enough, the station master preferred if I booked a meeting instead of just popping in like that, which was admittedly very funny.
It's one way to make light of such a mess, eh?
Absolutely. Now then, is my goods train ready?
Yep, you got it. See you later, Gordon.
And see you on the flip side then. Oh, and Rosie, just don't pop into the snow like Thomas did. Trust me, you're going to feel very silly if you do. Bye-bye.
Yeah, right. As if that's gonna happen.
It might. Suit yourself. I'm heading back to sort out more trains. What about you?
Same. It's tomorrow. I'll be on slow goods. I'd never doubt James being careful now.
Driver, fireman,
What?
I think we should slow down. Something's not right, because it's an avalanche coming our way!
The passengers were confused as to why the train stopped until they finally saw why.
Phew, that was very close. I think we can make it.
How so? We're almost there.
Well, Donald and Douglas are on their way.
How do you even know that?
Because my husband is Donald's driver.
Oh, well, that is interesting. Where is he, anyway?
They're coming soon. Like, almost here. So there should be a quick fix.
Aye, that's not so bad. We'll tackle this one down in no time, hey Dougie? No worries that, Donny. It'll be less than 20 minutes chops.
I hope that you two make haste.
Aye, not a thing to worry about. We must keep the trains running.
Fortunately, they were right. The snowdrift was fairly easy to clear, though that caused James to run a little late, which was justified.
Thank you, Donald and Douglas.
Anytime, James. Anytime, James. Make sure those bootlaces don't fall off, eh?
Yeah, if you don't dent another signal box, or smash up another brake van.
Oh my god. Fair enough. You win. I confess.
That's what I thought. Now, I'll see you later.
Later to James.
Good thing we were careful. Could have taken way more time if they weren't here. It's such a huge relief.
Looks like we have to use proper safety precautions. The storm's coming in tomorrow. Wait a minute. That's also when Rosie's put on the harbor runs. This might be a disaster.
The next morning, everywhere was cold and colder. The blizzard made its way, wind picking up speed, and the snowfall was even worse. Everyone had to equip snowplows and lights, much to Thomas's chagrin. Oh, for Godred's sake, this again? Fucking hell. Okay, just get the snowplow and let's get this snow done and over with. It's so cold. The sole reason this is acceptable is due to our passengers knowing they'll be late. So that's one problem gone.
You don't wish like you did in the tunnel, yes? That trick worked for you, but not to our passengers.
Yeah, of course, but never mind that. Come on, this day might just get worse. In fact, things were bound to be that way right as Rosie weighed in Knapford Harbour. The crew were preparing her train as well, checking all the joints and wheels were running smoothly. Soon the guard's whistle blew.
Good to go.
Rightio, let's make this a good one. I know we've got to look out for the storm, but it's a little weak now. We'll be fine.
Just don't strain yourself. Who knows what this cold can do to anyone?
Don't worry about it. I'm sure we can handle it. This is a little heavy.
Are you sure you can handle this?
Of course, shouldn't do that much.
I hope you're right. Now then.
Don't hesitate on a slow start. Better safe than sorry. Keep an eye out, will you?
No worries on that, and off we go!
Hey, careful. Don't push yourself too hard.
Don't worry, we're moving. A little engine can do big things.
Oh, I've heard that for the past 30 years.
Not wrong though, am I?
For now, yes, but you might get in trouble, especially with all that straining from the start.
Oh, never mind that. I think we'll be fucked. You have got to be kidding me!
Oh, that's done it now. Your cylinder's shattered. Please don't panic, Rosie. We'll go and call for help. That's the best bet we got.
Wait, move it to the siding before you do anything else. Trains can be passing by no matter what time it is.
First they inspected her cylinder. It was completely shattered, so they ran to the nearest station for assistance, which was to no avail. The power was out due to the storm. They had to hide from the storm in her brake van. She was trapped and alone.
Ah, engines. Wait. Where's Rosie?
I don't know, she's just disappeared. You got any whereabouts on her, Jinty?
Well, she only left the harbor last night. I don't know anything else about her whereabouts.
Then what do we even do about it? Start a search party within this horrible weather, huh?
Well, we have no choice, so let's just do it. But tonight, we're all going to be busy as of now.
I know. And how did she even get lost? Maybe? I don't know. Like... fuck. I got no idea. Never mind.
Right, lads, I'll get going. Catch you later.
See ya.
Everyone but Henry left. He had stayed up late due to an impromptu kipper train. Unfortunately, it was only 10 minutes until the commuter train was going to leave, and he was assigned to it.
Oh, fuck! We gotta go! This isn't good. They're waiting for us. So, where is Henry? I don't see him anywhere. I am so sorry for the wait, everyone. I've overslept, but so did my crew. Now get in quickly, please. I don't want to slow you guys down.
Right, everyone, as he said, please get in quickly. You heard him. Hurry up and get on board.
Barely in time, barely in time.
I know, right? Both the fireman and I had nothing to eat or drink, so we must make it quick. Henry was traveling through the snowstorm. He looked everywhere. He found 2 engines in the ditch and a brake van which was freezing. Unfortunately, he couldn't help.
Good God, they've fallen in.
Eventually, they made it to Wellsworth.
You haven't seen Rosie by any chance, have you?
Obviously not. I've overslept. This is maddening.
For sure. This really gives me a sore tender for such chaos. You know what I mean?
Yes, and I don't think anyone minds us being late or you're sore tender, Jaden. They only care about if we can actually make it or not. I must admit, I can only commend their bravery and, patience for being able to keep up with this. And ourselves, yeah, it's definitely a lot to think about, really.
I know, right?
Pretty brave if I say so.
But where's your crew?
Well, they ran to the cafeteria, running on empty stomachs. As for me, no coal and water until now.
How dumb!
Their chat got cut short as Henry's crew went back to his cab and he had to leave. On their way to Kelsthorpe, they discussed it again.
Seen that brake van? It's a bit familiar. I'll have to leave the thought on the back burner.
Gosh, Henry! You look like you've overslept.
Because I did. What about Rosie? Think you got any idea where she went last night?
Sorry, I can't stay to chat, but our trains must head off.
Oh well, fair enough. Well, I'll see you later, James.
Bye!
Later. A brake van, Rosie. What do you know? Good God, my eyes are fucking straining. Oh, god damn it.
Yikes! But this is the last train which is designated to Knapford, so we shouldn't have to worry much about anyway.
Yeah, let's just finish this and call it a night.
As Henry soon returned to the sheds, next thing he knew, as everyone else did, Rosie was nowhere to be found. James instantly quipped at that moment.
She must have been pushed into the turntable well. Kinda like how it happened to Oliver, eh? Never mind. Sorry.
Right, that's enough. Rosie isn't here, so we're starting up a search party. Everyone, please look for her now.
Without hesitation. Come on, lads, we've got to find her.
Have you guys seen Rosie anywhere, like, as of recently?
I'm sorry, you two, but Rosie ain't here either.
Of course not, Richard. Why would she get lost in a quarry? She can't even fit in those blasted tunnels.
Fair enough.
Blast! But thanks anyway. Pricks.
Fuck's sake, not in this place either. Fuck!
Why isn't it working?
Hey, there's fresh fish. Is anyone to get some? Forget it.
The engines looked for her everywhere, but they were rushing it. Their searching was absolute bullshit.
Oi, Dougie, can't find her either, can you? Nay, we searched everywhere. We looked twice. Can I find a thing? Jamming blast, motherfucker.
You two still couldn't?
Yes, of course. Same company who contacted her told her to take her time.
Until next week?
Until next week.
Fair enough. I'll look for her, as everyone else is.
Good luck. Good luck.
Hey, Henry!
Yo, good to see you, lady. You know where Rosie's at, or,
Kinda.
I did see a brake van, and a huge pile of snow. So there's that. And while we're still looking for her, you might as well just couple up to my train. Oh, there ain't no way. Ugh, come on, lady. Alright, let's just drag her out of the snow and whatnot.
On it.
It took them quite a lot of time to clear up the snow, and there she is, with her whole train and crew in tow.
First of all, how did all of you even survive that? Second, how couldn't anyone notice you either? That's very dumb. You're literally right here, even with the brake van sticking out.
avalanche froze quite a bit. My crew ended up resting in the brake van for 2 days. The cylinder also shattered, plus my acoustic strain. Yikes.
I figured that was the case. I warned you about exerting yourself too hard.
Which is, to be fair, I got too tense and overconfident on this job. And well, what do you know? This happens.
Smart move, Rosie. Smart move. Now then, we ought to get this train moving, and you to the works. Can't be here all day, eh?
It'd take us a while before reaching Croven's gates.
He was right. With the snow still battering about, Henry had to take the brunt, as he still hadn't slept a wink or refueled for later journeys.
I've seen 2, if not more, engines on other crash sites.
Oh yeah, didn't you have snow on your wheels as well?
Yeah, I'm surprised my crew and I managed to pull through this hard weather. And it'll be a while before you'll be back in action, Rosie.
That's alright. You lots better have that harbour run done. If not, I'll kick you.
Sure. Though, this train's gotta keep running, huh? So I'll see you soon, eh?
You bet.
I'm pleased to say that Rosie's repairs were quicker than expected, and the harbour contract was fulfilled. She returned to work almost immediately. All in all, a good end to a stressful, salty, cranky, and lady? Oh my fucking god! Why?
See ya. Oh, what the fuck? It's still recording, you fucking bitch.